How to get YouTube TV free trial. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in YouTube TV free trial and search for it. Now click on this website option tv.youtube.com. Open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of YouTube TV. Now over here you will see this option of try it free. Click on it. What's your zip code? Type in your area's zip code over here. With that, you will land to this page. Choose your plan. You will get two options, base plan and Spanish plan. Base plan includes 2 days free trial, whereas Spanish plan includes 7 days free trial. Likewise, you can check the details of base plan. It includes 127 channels and you'll need to pay $72 per month. Likewise, Spanish plan includes 34 channels and it has 7 days free trial. Likewise, you will need to pay $34 per month. After completion of trial period, you will need to pay these amounts. Once you select the plan that you want to go with, you have to check in for it and then click on the option of checkout given at the bottom right corner. Now you have to select the payment method and provide your payment details, as after completion of trial period, you will need to pay the amount to start the membership. So this is how you can get YouTube TV free trial. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.